Hey, beautiful people. This is Allison, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make an easy, delicious, healthy tacos using walnuts and pecans. Here are the ingredients that I'm using. Here are my pre-soaked walnuts and pecans. I soaked them for about an hour and a half in some hot water just to soften the nuts up. I'll be using a red onion and this yellow pepper. The cherry tomatoes, I'm using those later as a topping. I have some soy sauce, some liquid smoke, some oregano, some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and feel free to use your own seasoning, but just be mindful of using seasoning that's high in sodium. We want to make sure that this dish is healthy. So first I got started with dicing up my vegetables. You want to make sure that you're taking the center part of the pepper out. Next, it's time to mix everything together. So I'm adding my soaked walnuts and pecans to my food processor. And also, you don't have to use both. You can use soaked pecans or soaked walnuts. You do have that option. So here I've added my soaked nuts, and now I'm adding my chopped peppers and my onions, and now adding all of my seasonings. And again, feel free, you don't have to follow this recipe as far as the seasoning. You can use your own. Just be mindful again of things that have high sodium. Now it's time to mix everything together. You want to be mindful of making sure that you just pulse everything. mix it fast. You want to make sure just you're slowly mixing it. I realized that I didn't add any smoked paprika, so here I'm just adding the smoked paprika to my mix. And I'm just stirring this up, and I'm gonna give it a little taste test to see how it tastes. And it tastes pretty good to me. It is now ready. We're ready to make our tacos. And you can see it looks like ground beef or ground turkey. So instead of, this is going to be a really, really healthy taco. Instead of using taco shells, we're using lettuce leaf. So we're just packing it. We're going to add our add some lettuce here. Actually, this is some mixed greens. I'm sorry. And then we're going to follow it up with some cut up cherry tomatoes. I have some broccoli sprouts. I'm going to add the broccoli sprouts to it. I'm adding some jalapeno peppers. And I'm adding some avocado. You can also make some guacamole and add it. You can make your own salsa, or you can add some store-bought salsa, but again, make sure that it's seasoned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks again. See you in the next one. Bye.